At Cultures for Health, we offer 3 different kefir products: milk kefir grains, kefir starter powder, and water kefir grains. They're all so great for you that we want to tell you why. So let's get into it. The first and most obvious reason we're going to talk about why kefir is so good for you is because of the good gut bacteria, right? Not only is kefir just so microbially diverse to begin with, but when you're consuming it, all of that good microbes is going into your gut, and it really makes a difference in your gut microbiome, right? Especially if you've gone through chemotherapy or antibiotics, or maybe you have a compromised immune system. Drinking stuff that's going to repopulate your gut and add good bacteria to your system is always a good thing. When talking about milk kefir specifically, it's also a great source of B vitamins, protein, and calcium. Milk kefir is just really nutrient dense in general, so not only are you getting good gut bacteria, but you're also getting good nutrients, so it's a great thing to incorporate into your diet. The last thing is for water kefir specifically, and that is it's a great soda replacement. This sounds weird at first, but when we think about what's in the sodas that we drink every day, water kefir has a lot less ingredients and a lot less sugar, right? All of our sugar is being fermented out of our water kefir. So water kefir is a great natural soda replacer. And that's it. A few simple reasons for why kefir has such a big impact on giving us a healthy gut microbiome, immune system, everything that's good for our body. We love our kefir products, and there's so many things you can make with them. So make sure you click the recipes and the link in the description and share with us what you're doing. We love watching what you guys are doing. So tag us on Instagram, Facebook, or TikTok. Happy fermenting.